Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Facebook location settings. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. And once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three lights icon on the top right. And from there, head over to your profile. And here scroll down and go to your details or see about info section. And if you have just added your places lived or right now in which place you are in, if you have added this, you will find it in here. So you can add your current town or city right in here and add your hometown right here. So I'm going to add current town or city. This might take a while to load. And here tap and just select or write your town's or city's name. So suppose I'm writing this one, and if you want it to be public so that people can see, make it public. You can also keep it for yourself and make it on me, and tap on save. And here your location setting is changed. You can also edit it by tapping the pencil icon just right beside it, and you can change it in here. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.